Las Vegas, Nevada. And he got a full hip replacement from Dr.
Greig,
Greig.
he was fabulous. I'm just thrilled to death with the work that he did. I'm thrilled to death with the staff. I'm thrilled to death with the whole experience. This is something that he's needed done for at least 15 to 18 years. And we just couldn't afford it. You know, if you go to Mexico, you know, you can get the surgery and get it done for less than half what it would cost you in the States. And he said, okay. And so here we are. He's had the surgery, and all I can say is, if this video is going to make a difference in any way, shape, or form for anybody to make the decision to come down to Mexico, do it. Do it. The hospital staff and the cleanliness of the hospital are impeccable. There is I think you could have eaten off the floors. They were just so pristine. The staff was absolutely fabulous. I can't say enough good. He could not have gotten the care in the States that he has gotten down here in Mexico. They're very, very dedicated, and I couldn't ask for a better experience. No, this has been one of the best experiences. I would much rather come down here and to have any kind of medical done. My kudos, thumbs up, because if it hadn't been for them, Mark wouldn't be able to lead the quality of life that he's going to be able to lead in the future.